huge. Want to go down over there? Ah, yeah. Not sure about a little erosion.
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate it. So pretty. Look at you guys. 11:50. Room is up there. Third balcony. Launch in this direction at Cape Canaveral. Wait, nope, at NASA Launch Pad 39A. Launch Pad 39A in NASA. And then we have the Duggar family walking by. Big surf today.
Cordy, don't look so miserable. Say beach. Beach. It's freezing. I can't see your face. Is it cold? No, big smile. People look at me. Baby mouth.
I'm not like really shivering, like it's super cold. You gonna touch it?
Not really.
Say hi. Hi, Cordy. Might be able to make it run up quick and come back with a drink.
Hey, Cordy, come here. I must come and get you.
4 minutes to go to launch. 4 minutes. Look at all those circles. He's standing up. Look at him. That's a chick right there. We got longer boards.
Funny, because Arabella definitely has better balance than Cordy.
Yeah. Good crowd today. See the park down there? Cool.
I'm
Beach
in
park
Salon.
down that way. 3:19. 3:12. Cordy, 3 minutes. All right, recording. 1 minute 15.
I'm that person. I love you.
Under a minute.
Hey guys.
Stand right there. So we can get you in the picture. Yeah. You turn around though.
Alright, put your seashell up. It's broken. What? It's broken. How do you know? How do I know? Yeah. It was part of a lot bigger shell. Alright, we're almost there. Turn around. What kind of sand is this? It's money!
Dude.
Okay, here. Are you ready? What?
Here we go. 0.
Alright, guys. I don't know how much more to do that. What do you want? Bring it. Stop. What's that? There it goes. See it? Where? Straight in the distance. Hugger, baby. Stand up straight. 40, stand up straight.
You see it?
40, you see it?
Oh yeah, way over there.
You see it, Cordy?
Able to zoom in on that?
You see it?
Yeah.
Wait, it's about to explode? Well, yeah, because they're doing a test.
In like 60 seconds. It should just separate, I think.
It's not really my picture.
That's through the clouds. Oh man.
Bummer.
He went above the clouds.
It went above the clouds.
It's above the clouds. I guess it's cloudy today. We'll probably see it further up.
Is that cool? Go ahead. Come on, Woody. Go ahead. We're going to go up in 2 minutes. We're going to go back to the pool. I know. I got to pee too.
Can you hear anything? Sound should have been goes, but there it is. Up there. Up there.
Ooh, where?
Right there. Right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You see the trail move?
You should be able to see a parachute come down too, right?
Yeah. That's how you read it, right?
Yep. Do you hear the sound?
Oh, hear it, ladies.
Hear the rocket sound? That took like a whole minute to get here.
Yeah.
It's 60 miles away. Yeah, okay. Gosh, let me go to the link video.
Her arms pointing in the picture. Her shadow.
Oh, cute. Oh, yeah. The audio.
These parachutes are protected during ascent, on-orbit, and re-entry by a panel that's under the nose cone of the capsule.
You might be able to see a rocket flare coming down, yeah.
Right, that's what I was.
And there they are. The drogue chutes are out.
Parachutes are out.
It worked!
All those engineers, yeah.
Major cheering going on here.
We got the math right!
This Tesla holds. Now we're going to be
Finally made
ready
something that
for
works.
the main chutes to deploy.
Main chutes will be coming up fairly quick. There are 4 main parachutes. These are the newest, 116 feet. Diameter. Deploy them about 2
Hey, Bud!
kilometers above sea level, 6,400 feet above the Atlantic Ocean. Getting good views from the dragon and the airplane.
Hopefully I'm not shaking too much on this.
Showing the 2
Right here.
parachutes. Now we're just waiting for the 8 parachutes to be deployed very shortly.
Courtney's like, seriously. Do you see it? It was a good one. The shell I just gave 40.
We have the view from a different camera operating showing the 4 main parachutes. Now they are deployed in a reef condition. That means we're keeping them fairly shut to avoid shocks. Now we're slowly opening up the 4 parachutes. Great views coming off of the Dragon camera on the left, and we can also see the 4
I gotta get
parachutes.
my eyes checked.
I can't see it. There's 4 parachutes right there.
That is a really cool view.
Nice view of the large wave
This guy trying to get some baby waves right here. Look at this guy.
Look at Razor.
Yeah, you can get to it. I don't know why he's not paddling with it. Alright, you want to hit the ground?